I can't wait to start a garden. Oh, the weather's so nice. It's so beautiful. It's the perfect day ever. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm dripping. It's so hot. Oh, I think I'm having a heat stroke. Wow. I've never grown so much food in my entire life. Hey honey, I grew us dinner. I'm not really getting a whole lot. Oh hey, check it out honey, I found a bean. See? I grew us dinner. What do you mean you're getting KFC? We can split this. Honey, can you bring the bug spray? Lots of mosquitoes and gnats and stuff. Wow, this native soil is so rich and loose, I don't have to amend it at all. I don't even need a shovel to dig it. I can't wait to break ground. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna set this beautiful, bountiful harvest right here and we'll use it as we need it. Oh, God, these fruit flies are terrible. Ew. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's so many. They're flying around here. I'm just gonna set this beautiful, bountiful harvest right here, and we can use it for the next couple weeks as we need it. Ugh. Something smells kind of gross in here, honey. Have you smelt it lately? Yeah, I know. Oh, it's kind of like like a kind of a stinky sock, kind of putrid wine smell. Like it's, something's gone very wrong in here. Oh, where is it coming from? Oh, golly. Someone spill some milk or something in here? Oh, it's horrible. Oh, it's definitely coming from over this direction. Oh, it's getting worse. Oh, it can't be this. It's only been a week. This is perfectly fine on top. Yeah, no, it's not this at all. But yet it's coming from here. I left it here and it's been perfectly fine ever since. The stuff on top is perfectly fine. How is the smell so bad? Oh, it's getting worse. Oh, what is down here? Oh, there's soup down here. Oh, golly. Oh. Oh, it's so refreshing. It's like I'm drinking from a glacier. No, wait. The Fountain of Youth. Honey, this stuff's incredible. You should try it. I'm surprised they don't bottle this. Oh, gross. It's like pool water sitting on a hot tire on a 95-degree day. Yuck. I know exactly what I'm gonna make with this harvest. I'm gonna start with this lemongrass. I'm gonna saute it up with a little bit of rice vinegar, some garlic, and some ginger. Then I'm gonna add some lemon zest, these green onions and green peppers. Then I'm gonna throw in this squash chopped up and diced so that I can saute it in a pan, add in some tofu, some coconut milk. I'll make a curry base, and then I'll add in some red pepper flakes and add that to some white rice. Yeah, sounds like a meal. Hey honey, do you wanna get on foodnetwork.com and see what to make with this squash, some lemongrass, some green peppers, and green onions? It's kinda all I got. Oh man, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun filming it, and even though there wasn't a ton of information in here, I hope the one takeaway is that you should never set your expectations so high because sometimes the reality just does not measure up. But I hope you guys enjoyed, I hope you laughed along, and hopefully you'll share this video with some friends that need a laugh today. All right, I'll catch you all on tomorrow's episode. Grow big or go home. Bye.